Ever wonder how you can actually understand why you're spending so much money and where it's all going? If you're someone who's tried budgeting tools or finance apps, but felt like they didn't give you the full picture, stick around. Because today, I'm going to show you tools that not only track your expenses, but also explain the reasons behind them. I'll be sharing insights that can make all the difference in controlling your financial future. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Most budgeting apps just tell you the what. They show you the numbers, the categories, the totals, but they don't explain why your money is going where it is. And that's a massive gap, right? This is where tools that uncover the why behind your spending really stand out. These tools don't just track your expenses, they give you insights on how your spending patterns are evolving and why certain behaviors are leading you down a specific financial path. Stick with me till the end, because I've got a key piece of information that could change the way you approach your finances for good. For starters, one of the best tools that does this is actually an AI-powered service. What makes this tool different is that it doesn't just give you a simple breakdown of your spending, it also uses machine learning to analyze your habits. It looks at things like your past spending patterns, income fluctuations, and even seasonal changes in your habits, and then helps predict future spending. The coolest part? It will highlight your problem areas and show you exactly where you might be overspending without even realizing it. And the best part? There's no affiliate commission here, just honest, helpful information. This tool can truly open your eyes to financial behavior patterns that are tough to spot with basic apps. But let's talk about something even more advanced. Ever heard of tools that give you spending insights based on categories like emotional spending or impulse purchases? Sounds like something out of a psychology textbook, but it's happening with finance apps that connect your transactions to deeper psychological patterns. For example, if you consistently spend more when you're stressed or after scrolling through social media, some tools can point this out. They'll even recommend ways to correct these habits. It's not about telling you to stop buying coffee. It's about understanding the underlying triggers so you can actually make meaningful changes. And here's the thing. While other videos might share tools with affiliate links, I'm not here to push anything on you. I'm giving you the real deal, no strings attached. The next tool I want to mention might just change your life. It's one that takes your spending analysis to the next level by integrating with your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts. The beauty of this tool is that it looks at your entire financial ecosystem, offering a holistic view that other tools miss. It doesn't just show you your expenses, but gives you actionable insights into things like missed savings opportunities, hidden fees, and even how much money you're losing by not managing your finances more effectively. Now, before I wrap up, I need to mention a small but incredibly important detail. The real power of these tools isn't just in tracking your money, it's in using the insights they give you to take action. Many people get caught up in the numbers, but it's the why behind those numbers that empowers you to change. These tools help you identify patterns, understand the motivations behind your spending, and ultimately make smarter financial decisions. And if you're really serious about mastering your finances, that's what will truly set you apart from the crowd. If this video gave you any value, hit subscribe. Supporting content like this, content without hidden affiliate commissions, helps me keep bringing you the truth behind the tools that actually work. And if you've got questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.